Assalamualaikum everybody, welcome to the first episode of the Heart to Art show, where we explore the stories and passions of remarkable young individuals. This is your host Iman Sameen, and today I am here with a very talented and versatile person. So our guest today is an inspiring individual who is balancing his university life along with not only just one but several other fields such as modeling, art as well as being an entrepreneur. How cool is that? तो आज हम अपने गेस्ट से पूछेंगे उनका सीक्रेट दैट हाउ डज ही मैनेज टू डू ऑल दिस स्टफ सो एफर्टलेसली. तो बिना किसी देरी किए लेट्स वेलकम द इनक्रेडिबली टैलेंटेड मुइज़ अली खान. अस्सलाम वालेकुम.
Walaikum Assalam. Thank you for the warm welcome and a very good introduction.
Thank you so much for giving us your time. Okay. तो सबसे पहले मैं आपसे सवाल ये पूछूंगी कि like can you tell us a bit about yourself, like who is Muiz?
Well, I'm Muiz Ali Khan. I'm 24 years old. I'm an artist. I'm an entrepreneur. I'm a sportsman. These are like the three branches that I categorize myself in. Other than that, I do like a lot of other stuff like skateboarding, horse riding, swimming, all that.
So you're a very versatile person, as I said. अच्छा, तो मैं आपसे ये पूछना चाहूँगी कि what degree are you doing and why did you choose it and why did you choose BNE? मतलब ये मेरा सवाल.
So I'm doing psychology. The reason that I chose psychology was because back in 2018 when I was doing my A-levels, I was really interested in like, you know, like why people behave the way they behave. So I started self-studying psychology at that time. I tried to convince my parents that they get me into BNU because this is kind of like near to my house. And also like I just had some kind of attraction from the place. That's why I chose BNU. I didn't choose BNU initially. I was in LSE before this. I was studying political science and business management. And then after Corona, when like the campuses reopened, I decided to like transfer here and like start from here. Start psychology here. Yeah.
You're so lucky कि आपकी यूनिवर्सिटी करीब है. हम बहुत दूर से आते हैं. अच्छा. So coming to modeling, how did, as you are studying psychology, you were interested in psychology. So why did you choose modeling and why did you go? What are different fields है? So why did you go for that?
The reason that I chose modeling was I didn't choose modeling exactly. Same year 2018-19, I was getting done with my A-levels. But ये था कि like I wanted to, you know, like make my own money. That was my main aim कि मुझे घर से पैसे ना मांगने पड़े क्योंकि मैं like I was spending a gap year और मैं एक मतलब like घर पे टाइम ज़्यादा नहीं गुजारता था. मैं बस यहीं से कॉफ़ी शॉप जा रहा हूँ, कॉफ़ी शॉप से किसी घर इस तरह से. So उस time पे I didn't have a car or anything or I would just Uber here there. So you know like taking money from your parents bar at that age, it doesn't look good, it doesn't feel good. So I started like, you know, working on my model portfolio. I searched on YouTube ki like different ways of making money or सारा कुछ उसमें influencing, modeling ये चीज़ आई थी. So I was also starting my own brand back in 2018, but somehow modeling kind of popped off. Like I got scouted from, you know, like bigger brands. They called me on their team and I started shooting for them. Like the major one was Outfitters, of course. So I got a contract from them, like 1.5 years का मेरा contract था. I worked with them for a very long time. So that's how I got into modeling before this. Like brand, पहले मैं अपना खुद का brand बनाने की कोशिश कर रहा था. Then I also did like a small internship with Rasta. उस time पे उनके face masks वगैरह आए थे modeling for their, you know, like web shoots. वहाँ से I think someone scouted me and then called me to Outfitters. I think so.
That's very
But the
nice.
main aim was not just like
To model.
Yeah, it was more about like, you know, also traveling. Because models travel a lot. I really wanted to travel, start my own travel agency, all that. I still have a travel agency.
You do have a travel agency, sir.
Yeah, I got my travel agency. But ये था कि like my main aim was like to explore, go around places, and then have fun. Yeah.
Meet new people and all.
But also like, you know, just make some money so I can, you know, invest in my own startups instead of like getting an investor.
I know, I get it.
That was the idea.
Okay, that's so cool. Okay, talking about like why did you choose and all. So मैं ये पूछना चाहूँगी throughout this modeling career आपका कोई most memorable experience or any experience that you thought was very different, you learned a lot, कुछ भी ऐसे कोई ऐसा
I think it was my first campaign.
Your first campaign?
It was definitely my first campaign. मुझे outfitters ने बुलाया था for a trial shoot, and then I got a call like a week or two later कि we're taking a campaign to like Skardu, and then we're gonna fly you there. We're gonna keep you there for 5 days. So it was like a उस टाइम पे यही था पूरा like lockdown था, like everything was closed, सड़कें बंद थी, restaurants सब कुछ बंद था, बस मेरी एक luckily कहीं से campaign आ गई थी and I was flying to the mountains. That was like the best time for me. क्योंकि उस टाइम पे I think everything got really bad. Like I think ये October वाला time था और इस type का like उनकी winter campaign थी and we had to go shoot. So it was the first time I was like flying over the mountains. Like usually आप by road जाते हैं. So I took like a plane and then we got like accommodations वहाँ पे which were like in the desert. So it was like a really fun exposure. It was a really good trip.
pretty वैसे तो.
Yeah, the cold desert is really pretty.
Exactly.
That was the most memorable experience, and that was my first campaign.
You did your first campaign with Outfitters.
Yeah.
It's a big brand.
Yeah.
Good.
A lot of people like try to get to Outfitters,
हाँ,
like
I
a stepping
know.
ladder होती है, but like somehow luckily like I got into Outfitters.
Maybe the universe wanted you to.
I manifested it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's cool. Okay, so like talking about shoots or runway shows and all, how do you prepare for that? And the first time you did a fashion walk or something, मतलब were you nervous और कैसे आपने अपने आप को मतलब ready किया उसके लिए?
Obviously, like fashion walks ke to like I haven't done like a proper designer fashion walk, but I've done like fashion walks for MKY. She had her leather suits, or then I did a fashion walk that I organized myself. Like Metanoia, Met Carnival pe like pura ek fashion ka scene tha, like I was organizing it. But preparation wise, like I would give out this information कि like you know like a few hours before the shoot आपको prepare होना पड़ता है उसके लिए.
Obviously.
हाँ, like you have to groom yourself, you have to make sure, like I have to make sure कि like I'm shaved, like my क्योंकि stubbles वगैरह नहीं वो prefer करते, बाल कटे होने चाहिए, hygiene proper आपकी होनी चाहिए, grooming aspects, ये चीज़ें होती हैं जो आप shoot से पहले करते हो and which are like really important. Yeah.
Okay, तो मतलब आपको क्या लगता है कि जब when you started modeling पहले तो confidence building हुई या मतलब grooming wise as you said, how much did you groom throughout the process?
I remember like जो मैं पहला ट्रायल देने जा रहा था, I stood in front of the camera and I'm looking at their faces because I didn't know how to pose.
Obviously.
And I'm asking them how to pose. और अब ये है कि like I've had days like that and then after that like मुझे समझ आना शुरू हो गई कैसे होता है क्या होता है. I also did my own research काफ़ी ज़्यादा, like YouTube, Google, all obviously like I did like a lot of research कि how to pose, how to be comfortable on camera and all of that. But ये है कि like in the start it's really like nerve-wracking. मतलब आप बहुत nervous होते हो.
In front of a lot of cameras.
Yeah, but now once you get into the zone कि like you have to stay calm और सारा कुछ, like this comes with experience definitely.
Obviously.
तो अब ये है कि like I get cameras flashing at me at all times. अब इतना मसला नहीं होता. Like, it's like a normal thing now, obviously.
Obviously start में आप camera shy होते ही हो.
उसको उस fear को overcome करने के लिए like I think काफ़ी चीज़ें मैंने की थी, like you know like even practicing in front of the mirror इस तरह से, क्योंकि कभी कभार you don't know how you look and then you have to figure out how you look good and how you look like okay or whatever.
And sometimes you think you look very good और जब pictures आती है you're like oh my god.
What happened? Yeah, ऐसी बहुत दफ़ा हुई.
I know, I get it. Okay, तो talking about brands or designers, any particular brands या designers, ये भी बताओ कि आपका मतलब जो अभी तक काम किया है उसमें से favorite कौन से रहे and आगे for future आप कौन से brands या designers के साथ काम करने में interested हो?
I think मैंने अभी सिर्फ मतलब like majority जो मेरी market है वो है western brands. मैंने majority of the western brands यहाँ पे कर लिए हैं. I don't think कोई इतना रहते हैं, मतलब कोई ऐसे ब्रांड जिसमें मैंने कोई कोलैबोरेशन नहीं की है. I would want to work with eastern brands, जितने भी designers हैं सारे, you know the ones that make Sherwani, Shalwar kameez वगैरह, उनकी एक अलग वो range है. But इस वक्त बैठे बैठे मेरा aim है कि like I pick any international brand right now, like sportswear में Nike, Adidas, something like that. That's what I'm aiming for. Something really international. I'm trying to go international this year, so that's my aim.
That's really cool. Okay, क्योंकि I think बहुत बड़ा exposure होगा.
Yeah, plus international level पे ramp walks और ये सारा कुछ I think बहुत बेहतर level पे होता है और बहुत like उधर बेसिकली आपको एक्सपोजर भी ज़्यादा देते हैं और आपका मतलब फेस भी फिर हर जगह आता है.
अपार्ट फ्रॉम जस्ट गेटिंग पेड और वो आई थिंक आप बहुत सारा कुछ सीखते भी हो.
प्रमोट भी
Learn a
आप
lot.
काफ़ी हो जाते हो. लाइक दैट्स द बेस्ट वे टू मार्केट योरसेल्फ.
Exactly,
Yeah.
exactly. Okay, so now we're going to do a small fun segment जिसका नाम है Style Spotlight. To ask some questions. अब मैं आपसे फैशन रिलेटेड ही क्वेश्चंस पूछूंगी. इसमें ये है कि आपको you have to tell your fashion tips जो आप मतलब अपनी एज के, क्योंकि you're very young, तो अपनी एज के कोई ऐसे या कोई ऐसे hacks जो you do for your कि आप अच्छे लगो apparently और मतलब ड्रेसिंग आप
Grooming
किस तरह
tips,
की
yeah.
करती कौन सी
ग्रूमिंग टिप्स.
या ग्रूमिंग टिप्स ऑब्वियसली आप एज अ मॉडल आप अपेरेंट जब आप कैमरा पे आते हो यू लुक सो गुड ऑब्वियसली नॉट लाइक नॉर्मल पीपल तो आप उनको क्या एडवाइस दोगे अबाउट फैशन टिप्स.
यूजुअली मॉडल्स के साथ ये मसला होता है कि लाइक यू नो दे गेट लाइक लॉट ऑफ मेकअप, दे गेट लाइक लॉट ऑफ हेयर ट्रीटमेंट्स वगैरह. मेरे दोस्त ने मुझे एक टिप दी थी. आई एम प्रीटी श्योर यू नो हिम, खुशहाल खान. उसकी लाइक फर्स्ट शूट था, ही वाज विद मी इन माय फर्स्ट कैंपेन. उसने मुझे टिप दी थी कि लाइक हर शूट के बाद लाइक वॉश योर फेस, वॉश द मेकअप ऑफ, वॉश योर हेयर ऑफ, ताकि ख़राब ना हो. एक ये उसने मुझे टिप दी थी. एक टिप ये होती है कि व्हेन यू शावर लाइक you do not put like a lot of products on your hair और इस तरह की चीज़ें. Like it's the best way to maintain yourself is like keep towards like the natural elements और सारा कुछ chemicals से थोड़ा सा like दूर रहना चाहिए. That's something वैसे. Other than that वैसे.
What is your go-to outfit like for a casual day? University.
अच्छा like outfit wise मेरी जो tip है वो यही है like you dress for the occasion.
हाँ.
You don't just like pick clothes कि आज ये अच्छा लग रहा है. You dress for the occasion. Like wherever you're going, you pick an outfit for that.
For that.
Not just like any outfit, any good outfit. So you always dress for the occasion. That's one tip I'd give.
Makes sense. So what is your go-to outfit? Like what is the outfit you are so comfortable in?
I think like I have these khaki trousers that I'm really comfortable in, and I just wear like a t-shirt over it, something like that, for a casual wear outfit. But for like formal, obviously you dress up a white t-shirt, something like that. But outfit wise I always like experiment. Like I always start from like my shoes, कि what shoes do I have, and उसके साथ मैं देख करता हूँ कि what pants can I pair and what shirt can I pair. So like I start from the bottom, then I go to the top.
ये मैं पूछने लगी थी कि you were going to come, you knew that you had this interview, तो मतलब आपने ये आप idea तो क्या idea था?
आज मेरी presentation थी. आज मेरी presentation थी वैसे.
No, but for an interview ये मतलब I think it's
dressed for the
good
occasion.
outfit, तो I think good. अच्छा, coming to before moving to modeling and art stuff, I am really curious about one of your another ventures, which is very cool though, the waffle cart, which is fluff food therapy.
Yeah.
And I think everybody should try it because I've also tried it. It's good.
Lovely. Do you like the waffles?
Yeah, I did.
That's
Like
lovely.
the quality and everything was good. अच्छा, मैं ये पूछना चाहती हूँ कि why did you choose this name, fluff food therapy? मतलब food is therapy, but specifically fluff food therapy.
Okay, the idea was that we were gonna sell fluffy pancakes, fluffy waffles. I'm sorry.
Waffles.
Pancakes भी था हमारा idea. We were gonna introduce like different things like fluffy food, right? Just as an attraction for people. So I started this business when I got into BNU. Like this was my first year in BNU और मुझे बस ये पता था कि festival आ रहा है और उस पे ये हो रहा है और सारा कुछ हो रहा है. Then I got to know कि चलो उस पे stalls भी लगते हैं. So I had an idea कि like मेरा अभी admission हुआ है. I mean like university के हिसाब से I did like about like 4 to 5 semesters in LSE. I mean 2 साल मेरे वहाँ लगे हुए थे. So I was like, it's been a while. I feel out of place. I don't know people यहाँ पे इस तरह से. What would be the best way to like actually interact with people in Syracuse? That was the idea या problem in my head. So that's why I started the stand. Okay, I would set up on any event that I wanted to. अब उस event पे when you're setting up a stand, you get access to that event. People come to you, get to interact
They talk
with people.
to you, exactly.
That was the main goal for my waffle stand. Okay, like connectivity with people. And fluff food therapy, like food therapy is obviously like, when you're stressed out, all that, you eat something sweet and your mind's like instantly better. So the idea was to like come to our stand, have waffles, interact with us, and let's just have a good time. So that's why I started this business in the start.
That is
Dusra, like, it was for BNU. Mainly ये था कि like I wanted to
On
actually
events
make
and
my
all.
name here and all that. So I was like, if I set up this stall, like everybody will like know कि कोई scene है इस तरह से.
कोई है.
But after that, like I set up like my stalls in all the other universities like UCL, LSE,
अच्छा.
और दो तीन और
Festivals
NCA.
वगैरह पे.
Yeah, festivals वगैरह पे I did like a lot. And I made like a lot of friends through the process. Like now I know people in every campus and people who do like small businesses and all that just because I started this venture.
So are you planning to make it like a proper branch?
Yeah. But I still want to keep it portable. Like I am aiming to make a food truck जो like कहीं भी पूरे लाहौर में जा सकता है. Even not, it won't be restricted to Lahore obviously. फिर if it has wheels वगैरह तो like I can take it anywhere in Pakistan.
That's
wherever I
so
feel
cool. Like as you love traveling. So.
Yeah, it's like for me, fluff food therapy is like a way to connect with people around me.
हाँ.
Through food, through other stuff, through paintings. Like my stall is basically like all my paintings and my artwork right there displayed. So yeah, that's, I wanted to like let my work out. So I was really hesitant when I was starting out, like with art and painting canvases and all of that. Like I'm making sculptures too now, and like, I'm just like diversifying ho hi ja raha. But in the start I was like afraid कि like response वगैरह क्या आएगा. So I put these paintings up and like a few times people came up to me and they're like, are these for sale or ye wo. But I didn't sell them right then. I gifted them to some people. जाके like spread होता रहा मेरा artwork हर जगह. So that's
अच्छा,
the
artwork. Nice. ओके सो गाइज इसी के साथ हम लेते हैं एक छोटा सा ब्रेक और ब्रेक के बाद हम पूछेंगे मुई से और बहुत सारे सवाल. तो मिलते हैं एक ब्रेक के बाद.
merge in Cairo. Like photography, skateboarding, Formula 1 and painting. So basically like एक can.
गाइज वेलकम बैक टू द शो हार्ट टू आर्ट शो. और हमारे साथ है मुइज़ अली खान जिनसे हमने बहुत सारे सवाल पूछे हैं और अभी भी पूछेंगे. तो आई वांट टू नो वैसे कि यू डू अ लॉट ऑफ स्टफ. तो सबसे ज़्यादा व्हाट डू यू एंजॉय डूइंग? मतलब वॉफल वाला आर्ट वर्क, मॉडलिंग या जो भी.
आई थिंक दो चीज़ें आ रही हैं. एक तो लाइक ट्रैवलिंग. आई लाइक ट्रैवलिंग अ लॉट. मतलब that's something I look forward to every time. Like if I'm going through a bad phase or anything in life, so I would just start planning a trip. तो ये एक मेरी चीज़ है. और दूसरा I think horse riding.
Horse riding.
Yeah, I love animals. I love animals.
You
horse
love
riding.
animals. Nice.
Yeah. Horse riding has actually like helped me a lot. Like it really helps you with your mental health and all.
हाँ मतलब.
Physical activity भी, but also like you're in contact with an animal, communicating all of it. तो वो भी मजे की चीज़ एक्टिविटी होती है.
तो that is what you love doing apart from all the ventures.
Yeah, उसके अलावा like combats, I do boxing, kickboxing. I really enjoy kickboxing.
Do you even get time, like free time?
Yeah, I do get free time. मतलब I compartmentalize and schedule things. Daily, like weekly. Like I don't plan my days like daily based. Like I don't plan my days like Monday. This is today I'll do this. I plan my days. I plan my weeks according to like what is scheduled.
कि अब ये काम इस हफ्ते करना है, ये काम इस हफ्ते करना है.
ये इसका दिन है, इसका दिन इसका. तो like हर दिन कुछ ना कुछ like divide किया होता है और मैंने हर दिन कुछ नया करना होता है. So
that's you learn a lot.
Yeah, that's a habit that I've kept. कि हर दिन कुछ नया करना है. So yeah, that keeps me going.
That's so cool. That's so cool. अच्छा. I want to know that how do you see art and modeling influencing each other in your life?
How art and modeling are influenced? I think modeling is a form of art.
Yeah, of course.
Modeling is
obviously you incorporate art.
Like people dress the way they feel. So that is a way of art. I think that's how art and fashion and modeling correlates. Because like it's still like you're wearing something. अब वो it can represent a lot of things.
आपकी personality को हाँ वो करता है.
Yeah, like even right now, if अगर देखा जाए, like Gaza Palestine case, like people are wearing different clothes for that,
Mhm.
like representing their sides and all that. So like I think modeling, art and fashion really like help in putting out a statement out there.
Yeah, that is
That's
so.
how it correlates.
That is. ओके तो मोइज हमने आपसे आर्ट मॉडलिंग की बात की, अब हम एक और फन सेगमेंट करेंगे क्योंकि हमें पता ही है और हमारे ऑडियंस को भी कि आप आर्ट वर्क भी करते हैं एज यू डू अ लॉट ऑफ अदर थिंग्स। तो मैं आपसे ये चाहूँगी कि आप हमें दिखाएं अपने कुछ ऐसे आर्ट पीसेस या कुछ भी जो आप दिखाना चाहें जिसके पीछे देयर इज़ अ स्टोरी बिहाइंड। आप अपने फ़ोन में मतलब कुछ भी जो कि हम अपने और मतलब शो पे दिखा सकते हैं।
I do have this.
अच्छा, ओके।
मैंने ये एक नई टेक्निक शुरू की थी.
वाओ, दैट्स सो कूल। वैसे
This was like basically दो शौक जो मेरे 3 शौक थे जिनको बेसिकली मैं आपस में मर्ज इन कर रहा हूँ.
मर्ज किया है।
लाइक फोटोग्राफी, स्केटबोर्डिंग,
हाँ,
फार्मूला 1 और पेंटिंग. सो मैंने बेसिकली लाइक एक कैनवस लिया और उस पर मैंने लाइक फोटोग्राफ्स भी लगाई अपनी और दूसरा लाइक मैगजीन से कटआउट्स करके लाइक एक प्रॉपर लाइक
तो ये पूरा आपने एक वो आर्ट पीस का
बेसिकली लाइक एड्रेनलिन जो रश चीज़ होती है ना जैसे कि मोटर स्पोर्ट्स वगैरह इस तरह की चीज़ें उन दोनों को मैंने कंबाइन करने की कोशिश की थी. सो लाइक आई फील लाइक कि मैं उन चीज़ों में ज़्यादा लाइक फ़न करता हूँ, इसमें लाइक ज़्यादा थ्रिलिंग होती है और सारा कुछ. सो आई मेड लाइक अ होल कोलाज आउट ऑफ इट. मैंने 2 पेंटिंग्स बनाई थी लाइक देन आई थिंक एक मेरे पास है और एक आई थिंक आई गिफ्टेड वन टू समवन.
अच्छा, तो मतलब आप वैसे मैंने देखा है आपके वॉफल जो स्टॉल होता है उस पे कि आपके स्केटबोर्ड्स पे भी डू यू डू दैट टू और जैसे खरीदे हुए ऐसे?
नहीं लाइक पेंट
किया हुआ है ना. हाँ.
वैसे आई थिंक लाइक वो भी दे रियली लाइक an important piece to me.
हाँ,
like
तो मतलब
skateboarding और painting वो mix हो के.
हाँ, वो आपने अपने
Yeah.
डिफरेंट शौक को मिक्स अप किया हुआ है.
Yeah.
दैट्स सो कूल. अच्छा, who or what are your biggest inspiration in the art world? मतलब or any artist you look up to or something?
I think I don't follow people like that. I don't have like idols उस तरह से.
हाँ.
But I do like research वगैरह. But nothing specific that I.
Like in general or सिर्फ in art world? मतलब आप वैसे you don't look up to
वैसे भी
people
I
that
don't have like idols उस तरह से that I follow. I am looking for mentors, but idols are like
not as a follower.
Yeah, following me उस तरह मतलब किसी person या किसी celebrity को उस तरह से मैं भी like follow नहीं कर रहा. I mean there are a lot of great artists, इधर भी हैं, local भी हैं, international भी हैं, but अभी कोई इस तरह से मुझे click नहीं कर रही.
It makes sense obviously. अच्छा, describe your creative process when working on a new art piece or like your thoughts behind क्या instant click करता है या फिर?
Yeah, usually होता ये कि I sit with all of my things like canvas, paints वगैरह, and then I plug in my headphones.
हाँ.
और either I put on my playlist जो मैंने save करके like लगाई हुई होती हैं और I put one song on loop और वो गाना loop पे चलता रहता है, मैं paint करता रहता हूँ. Like that's one way. That's also how I write things. कि I put one song in loop और बस वही चलता रहता है and I start just typing और इस तरह से चलता रहता है. That is I think my creative process. But I have to be in a very like in a mental state to like do something creative. Like I have to get in that state to do something creative वरना नहीं होगा. When I won't be able to do anything.
तो मतलब in terms of music, I think what kind of music do you like?
I think I listen to all kinds of music. I'm also a DJ, so I listen to all kind of music and
I have to make a list.
making different styles. Yeah, I keep diversifying my taste.
I know.
That's something I keep doing myself. But yeah, my creative process is mainly like if I had to like
listening
point it
to
out.
music and
Yeah, but just like one song on loop that I feel at that time, and then that song would be on loop till I'm done with it.
वो हर दफा वो song
हर
change हो
change
जाता है.
होता
हाँ,
रहता है.
change होता है.
Definitely. Favorite artist जैसे music में मेरा है Tame Impala. That's someone I listen to like constantly for the past few years. Yeah.
That's nice. Okay. Talking about your future aspirations, what are your like goals? Because you do modeling professionally. बाकी तो आप you do waffle
As a
card
hobby.
obviously professionally,
Yeah.
लेकिन बाकी सब hobbies के तौर पे कर रहे हो.
Hobbies हैं.
तो in terms of modeling, आपकी क्या are you going to pursue it as a career or properly? Obviously.
So, from what I've been getting, modeling careers don't last too long. ये हर बंदा कहता है. So like I get that, I understand that, but in the future, you know, like I see myself as someone who has his own studio and who's also working behind the camera. Like in front of the camera experience मेरे पास काफी ज़्यादा आ गया. वैसे 2-3 सालों में I think I've done a lot of work. Like I haven't even kept the count of number of shoots that I've done.
In front of the camera.
I think there are a lot. But now in the future, I see myself as like, you know, working behind the camera and, you know, bringing out more faces, new art. So I want to build my own studio in the future. Like that is something I see myself doing as professionally and also like for the community and everyone around me. Like a studio where you can also make art, you can do shoots, you can do everything, right? So I see myself building a studio in the future, and it can be any studio. It can also be a music studio or even like a studio which does cater to all of the things that I do.
It can have everything.
Yeah. Maybe like workshops हो रही हैं वहाँ पे. Like maybe I can build like a small scale university where people can come learn things for like, you know, like a cheaper amount, cheaper fee.
For all kinds of students or people.
As a community building जहाँ पे आप आके like shoots भी कर सकते हैं, anything. That's something I see myself. Like building a studio.
ठीक है. That's cool. And talking about obviously modeling, आपके मतलब upcoming brands या shoots जो कि हमें देखने को मिलेंगे तो are there any hidden shoots that are going to
there's nothing like that is planned or scheduled right now. But I feel like summers में इस तरह से काम कम होता है. Winters में there's always like
Western brands.
Winters में there's a buzz going on, and I'm pretty sure by this winter I'm gonna launch a few pieces of my own.
Or of your own brand.
Like of my own brand, like my own clothing line, inshallah.
Okay, so
that's another business.
I am going to make a list. But tell us a little about your brand or the idea behind your brand.
The initial idea was, you know, like the initial name that I kept was Stupid Troubled Kids. That was the name that I thought of. Yeah.
Sorry, dobara?
Stupid Troubled Kids. Abhi, this is not the final name or something.
That's cute.
But yeah, it was like a philosophy that I had, ki like inside, like we're all adults, right? But inside we're all, you know, like we have an inner child. Like psychology tells us that we have like a small inner child that that, you know, that this like existence, that is like your emotional side, your nurturing side and all of that. So the stupid troubled kid inside of me wanted like to build a community of you know, like other people who also relate to this, because they're also like just stupid troubled kids inside and they're just trying to make meaning out of in the adult world. That's how I used to see the world pehle, like as a stupid troubled child. You know how kids act, right? They're messy, they're always fooling around, having fun. So that was the philosophy or the drive that I wanted in my brand.
In your brand.
But when it comes to pieces, I think you guys will see like a lot of good jackets, you know, shirts, hoodies and all of that. Like winter launch mera, and that's what I'm planning right now.
But as you said, it's not final, but don't you think for a brand it's a like really long name?
STK.
Oh,
it could be STK.
Because I do also have a brand, clothing brand.
Yeah, branding is very different though.
Yeah.
Like, I understand that like branding ke liye you also have to do like a lot of research and like a lot of work, and you have to like go into the details.
Because for a brand,
that's why this is not final. Yeah.
But I hope आपका ये भी, I'm sure you'll do it. You have done a lot of stuff. Okay, so how do you see your work evolving in 5 years, or where do you see yourself after 5 years?
Yeah, like working behind the camera.
Behind the camera.
Yeah, that's where I want to work. Like
or with a brand.
Yeah, as a creative director of a brand, or I'm working behind the camera as a photographer or videographer making my own content. But yeah, this is what I see myself doing in the future. Not pursuing psychology like that. I mean, like I do want the degree, I do want to study psychology.
But I think you should have done TFT or something.
Yeah, I did try to convince my parents, but at the time they didn't understand what I wanted when I wanted like to go to BNU, not LSE. So it's really hard to convince them what I want, because both of them are teachers, right? They both are teachers, so it's also like an issue. And me on the other hand, I feel like मेरा पढ़ाई में उस तरह से शौक इतना वो चलता नहीं है जितना आर्ट में और इसी में चलता है, स्पोर्ट्स वगैरह. So yeah, तो major clash हमारा पेरेंट्स के साथ ये चल रहा है मेरा.
तो अब they're okay or?
Yeah, I'm okay with psychology. Like I wanted to study psychology.
Okay. That's really.
Baki TFT, you know, like camera work and all of that. That is my work. Like when I'm modeling, all of my colleagues are doing that. So they're also like people I hang around with, we're always sharing
get to learn
insight,
from
we're always
them,
learning.
wow.
Yeah. So I'm already practicing like TFT with my friends, just so making films, all that. अब वो professionally करना थोड़ा other different होता है,
हाँ,
which will
I
take
know, I
time,
know.
of course. But yeah, my degree is gonna be psychology, but I might be making a studio.
इसी के साथ हम चलते हैं दोबारा एक छोटी सी ब्रेक में, तो मिलते हैं ब्रेक के बाद. Comfort food.
Food. Waffles.
Love.
Love. Heartbreak.
वेलकम बैक टू द शो. और अब हम करने लगे हैं एक बहुत ही फन सेगमेंट जिसका नाम है वर्ड पैलेट, जिसमें मैं मुइज़ को दूंगी कुछ वर्ड्स और वो बताएंगे कि व्हाट कम्स इन हिज माइंड उस वर्ड को सुनने के बाद. अच्छा, तो फर्स्ट वर्ड जो है वो है कैनवस.
Painting. Like painting.
Yeah.
Messy painting, yeah.
Messy painting, okay. Second है passion. Because he does a lot of stuff, he does not know what my passion.
Just making art is my passion, yeah.
Creating stuff.
Creativity.
Creativity,
Yeah.
yeah.
Creativity is
Okay.
my passion.
BNU.
BNU. Honestly, like, पहले तो this place, yeah. BNU is like security for me, yeah.
Security.
Yeah. Because you know, like when you wake up, I have a place to go to, so I need that.
Same,
That's why I
same.
came to this university.
Okay, love.
Love. Heartbreak. Actually, no, love. Wait. Sorry.
प्यार दोस्ती है.
Love is, you know, like the reason we all exist.
Makes
Yeah.
sense. It can
Not
be.
the opposite. Yeah.
It can be anything with
Yeah,
your
love can be
family, with
anything.
your friends.
Yeah.
Okay, comfort food.
Comfort food. Waffles.
Okay, so moving on to some advices, as you have been giving the advices so far. आपसे और कुछ advices लेते हैं for the audience and young people. तो आप, as you do, you know, you're a versatile person and you do different stuff. So what kind of advice would you like to give to people in their 20s and teens and जो भी अभी they don't know what to do in their life? तो वो आप क्या करेंगे?
I'm gonna share like the advice that I'm following. Like, you know, like you learn the most through experiences. So the reason that I'm doing all of these things and all, getting myself involved in all of this stuff, multitasking, all that, is because I'm trying to gain as much experience of this world as I can. So I think we should get experience, any kind of experience that we're getting. Like, you know, workshops, all that, ये सारी चीज़ें भी हो रही होती हैं. But you know, like going to a friend's place, going to a birthday party, doing all that stuff, that is also an experience, right? Going to a new restaurant. So always say yes to new experiences, any kind of experiences. If you like it or don't like it, doesn't matter. But like any kind of experiences, I think you should always like take on them, and that's where you actually learn the most. And second, like always follow your gut feeling. So that's really important for me. Like the reason that, you know, like I'm doing these things is because my gut tells me to do all of these things. Like this is fun, this is good. Or you know, like practice gratitude. Like be thankful for whatever conditions you're
That's
in,
really
good or bad. Like these are 3 things that I follow in my life. Like currently that I am following, and these are like a habit for me. Like being thankful like every day, and you know, getting more experiences and all of that, interacting with as many people as I can. So yeah, these are the advices that I give.
That is so good. And any tips that you want to give to someone who wants to or does have a small business startup, जैसे आपका waffle cart है तो, but when you started it तो मतलब कोई भी tip?
I think like you should always plan like 6 months ahead of when you're starting a business. Just plan 6 months ahead. Okay, I think I started without like a plan or anything, and I just jumped right in. So now I feel like I should have planned out like like monthly basis pay or something like that. Like this is what these are my minimum goals that I have to like do, and like sometimes like businesses take like a lot of investment. I think it's always better to start like small and then gradually increase with the investment and how much you're making out. But yeah, I think that's about it.
Okay, so
in terms of like business, right?
Yeah, in terms of business, मतलब कोई भी small.
I think like I haven't learned much about it because मुझे भी लगता है कि like I'm really in my initial phases of it. Like I need to learn a lot about it. Like और होता like through action ही है. Like you cannot just predict things. You have to do things to like learn. So yeah, more power to action.
तो अभी जैसे कि आपने कहा कि in terms of business तो initial stage है, but modeling में you've been doing it for 3 years now. तो obviously हर इंसान की ज़िंदगी में ups and downs आते हैं, बहुत सारे project आपको नहीं मिलते हैं या behaviors लोगों के ऐसे होते हैं. तो what makes you stay motivated and कि नहीं भाई I will not give up, वो motivation कैसे आती है आपको?
The motivation of not. I think I'm pushing myself to like be the best version of myself. So that is my motivation. I just keep pushing myself because I want to see myself as the best version that like the version that you see of yourself in your head. Like I want to be that person instead of like just fantasizing it and like thinking about it. So that's what motivates me to like actually pursue and like push and do better.
And lastly, how do you manage your university life? क्योंकि मतलब time taking है और studies obviously होते हैं time taking with all the other activities.
In the first 2 semesters, like I had missed all of my classes almost. मेरे सारे courses drop हो गए थे. So yeah, this did become a problem and it did come in clash with it. But now, like I've informed all of my clients that like these are my university hours, these are my class hours. I will not leave my classes. If you guys want to shoot, we can shoot after that. So like I've scheduled it according to like my classes schedule. So all my shoots are after my classes. Like the call time is usually after my classes, so it's easy to manage now.
Because obviously
But now it's like weekend pay वगैरह. Like I schedule all the shoots on the weekend. Yeah, but I am prioritizing my classes more now. Yeah, it's changed.
Yeah, it is obviously.
Yeah.
Degree तो at the end of the day चाहिए ही होती है पाकिस्तान में.
Yeah, I think उसमें like degree का pressure exposure भी आपको काफी like even the pressure काफी आपको build करता है. Like it makes you like tough. It toughens you up.
Time management.
Yeah, time management, discipline, which I think that is what I was lacking. That's why I joined an institution.
Thank you so much, Moiz, again हमें time देने के लिए, and honestly I did myself learned a lot और मैंने बहुत सारी चीज़ें और बहुत important, I think बहुत important होता है कि अपनी यूनिवर्सिटी लाइफ के साथ, क्योंकि लोग वेट करते हैं हम डिग्री ले लें और फिर उसके बाद कुछ करना शुरू करें. तो I think वो बहुत important होता है कि आप जो है ना साथ साथ कुछ करें. तो थैंक यू सो मच अगेन अपना टाइम देने के लिए. There you have it, friends. We have reached to the end of this heartwarming episode of the Heart to Art show, and a big shout out to our guest Moiz Ali Khan for bringing his unique blend of creativity and flair to the table. To all my listeners, I hope this episode left a smile on your face and a spark in your heart. So keep embracing your inner artist because life is a canvas and you are the painter. तो मिलते हैं अगले एपिसोड में, तब तक के लिए keep smiling and stay tuned to the Heart to Art show. This is your host Iman Sameen signing off.